Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a single page website using siteleaves.com. Now, a single page website we like to call a leaf, and what you can do to make multi-page websites is you can link all these leaves together, but we're just going to stick with a single page website for today. And we are going to make a chess memes website. I like chess. So let's go ahead and make a chess memes website. The URL can't have any characters, can't have any spaces, but once I type in my word, my site will exist on the URL http://www.siteleaves.com/whatever I put, which is chess memes. So once I post this site, I have reserved this URL. So when users navigate to this URL, they will see my site. Let's go ahead and start adding content to our site. And let's create some welcoming text, right? Because we just see this title. So let's just go ahead and make the user feel welcome to our new site. I'm going to go ahead and say just hello and welcome. Thank you. There you go. So very quickly, we have some welcome text, and then we can more or less just get right to the memes, right? So memes are usually images. So I went ahead and took the liberty of creating a few images offline to make some chess memes, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use the tool to upload those memes. So as long as it's a PNG or a JPEG file, you should be able to upload it to your site. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and upload the first one, and I'm going to make a title for this one in particular, right? You don't have to, but I'm just going to choose to, and I'm going to call this Respect the Queen. All right, so there you go. There's the first set of images that I want to add. So let's go ahead and add another image, right? Same process, but let's say this time I don't want to add a title, right? You don't have to. You can go ahead and add the second image very quickly. There you go. Looks like our site is shaping up with content very quickly, which is great. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the third image that I chose to add. I didn't actually create this one, but I found this really funny. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this last one. There you go. So we've got some interesting chess-related content for our site. But sometimes what we like to do is we like to advertise to our users, maybe send them to other websites. Like, let's say I really want people to play more chess, right? So I'm going to go ahead and create a portrait to sort of advertise a website that I really like to play chess on called chess.com. So let's go ahead and try to advertise for people to play more chess. And so consider visiting chess.com. If you play chess, you will improve and have fun. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and upload a logo and add. So the nice thing about portraits, because I just added a portrait, the nice thing about portraits is that it has the text and the image sort of side by side, which is sometimes what you want when you're creating your site. So there you go. We got ourselves a portrait, but let's say that, our users, we don't want our users to type things, right? We want our users to just click a link and then just be there, right? So we can do that. We can add what's called a link box. And we can add some information to describe the link, and then we can add the link itself, right? So you don't have to add a title, but I'm just going to go ahead and choose to. Chess.com. Click here to play today. All right. right, and then we got ourselves a little bit of a label. Or we can just say click here. And then we could say like that, something like that. Then URL is www.chess.com. And we can go ahead and add our link box. And there you go. So now they've got themselves a little bit of an advertisement. They got themselves a link to click. And they've got themselves some attractive content. So why wouldn't you play chess after seeing this, right? It might be a little difficult to see the full site with all these, like, let's say there's these delete buttons, right? And then there's these creation tools at the bottom, right? You kind of want to see your site without all this cluster or this clutter. So you can just toggle preview mode and you can go ahead and you can see the site. Everything below this button right here, everything below this button is what the user will see when they visit your site. So there you go. There's a single page leaf, and we created it in roughly 5 or so minutes with explaining things. So it's a very, very fast way to create websites.